guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another makeup tutorial, but it's inspired by my favorite, one of my favorite brand, Fenty Beauty. I've recently received a PR package from Fenty Beauty of their new editions, which is the Glossy Pose Holidays editions, which I have actually done swatches in my last video. So if you want to know what are those beautiful colors, I will link it out at the right hand corner. You can go check it out after this video. Today I am gonna be doing this makeup which is inspired by their new colors editions of Stunna lip paint. It is such a gorgeous color. I do not own this kind of color before, and this came in just at the right time because this color, to me, it's so like for fall season. I was thinking, why not do a fall makeup based on this color? So this is the makeup look that I come up with today. I hope you guys love this makeup. So if you want to know how I do this makeup, please keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and don't forget to click the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post. And without further ado, let's get started. First, starting off with my sunscreen from Supergoop. For today's makeup, I want to achieve that glass skin look, so I'm prepping my skin with a glowy base sunscreen. Moving to my favorite foundations from Dior Backstage, one of my absolute favorite foundations for a natural and glowy finish. It doesn't have the full coverage, so I'm going with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer to cover those redness and acnes. And using my Urban Decay Concealer, which is lighter shade than my skin tone, to brighten up my under eye area. I usually let the concealer sit for a while before I go in with my beauty blender so that it gives more coverage. Going into my Becca Shimmering Perfector and highlight on my higher cheekbones to give a finer glowy touch. Moving to my Fenty Beauty Cream Contour to contour my face. If you want to know how I contour my face, you can check out my How to Contour Your Face for Beginner video. I will link it at the right hand corner. For the eyebrows, I am using my Anastasia eyebrow gel for more defined eyebrows. And using the concealer to perfect the eyebrow shape. Going into my Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker bronzer, I'm using this on my eyelid as the base, as well as using this to contour my nose, connecting all the way to my eyebrows. Changing into a small flat brush to place the bronzer slightly below the lower lash line to create a bigger eye illusion. I'm going in with my Marc Eye Crayon Gel to add more depth into my eye. The color I'm using is called Brownie. Really going close to the lash line and blending it with a small flat brush to give the smoky eye effect. Now time to curl my lashes and apply mascara. Begin at the base of my lashes and sweep the wand upward and upwards to create a more voluminous lashes. Going in with my favorite Benefit Soft Focus highlight on my higher cheekbones. Inner corner of my eyes, my nose bridge, tip of my nose, and my cupid bow. Adding more bronzer from Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker to those areas where I contour to give more warmth to my face. pressing the HD powder from Maqpro on my under eye area and below the contour area to bake my face, and sweeping it off with a big fluffy brush. Going into my Zoeva palette and mixing these two beautiful colors, starting off from the center of my cheeks and sweeping it upward to my temple area. And also across my nose as well. Last but not least, time for a new Stunna lip paint from Fenty Beauty. The color I'm using for today's makeup is this deep berry shade called the Underrated. It is the perfect shade for fall. One last touch for the eye makeup. I am using this lip gloss from the Holidays editions. I am applying it on my upper eyelid to give that really glossy eye look. Formula is amazing. If you want to know what are other colors in this edition, check out my last video which I do swatches for the lip gloss. And using Urban Decay All Nighter to set the whole makeup. Alright guys, so this is the final makeup look. I am really liking this Fenty Beauty inspired makeup look. I feel like this is a color for fall. So this is my translations of how the fall makeup will look like using the Stunna lip paint from Fenty Beauty. Let's talk about the new colors from Stunna lip paint. I've received two colors. One is kind of reddish. It is called Unmatched, and the other one, the one that I'm using right now, is called Underrated. It is super pigmented. It is a very matte finish, but it doesn't dry out your lip. It doesn't smudge easily as well. As I tried the other day, and basically the lip color doesn't go off for the whole entire day. So this is how long lasting it is, and I absolutely love this two color. So this is how it look with the red lip. It is a beautiful red lip color. It's so sexy, sultry. It always gives me that kind of feeling. Definitely, I'm so happy and I'm excited to actually got this two from Fenty Beauty. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and don't forget to click the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post. I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video.